Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji niwo wa kwezonu?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukwudon So Captures. Ndebanye, Namekelonu. I'm Chukwudon So Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand the roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for Chris. All right, so thanks, Chris, for sending